Hey beautiful people, have you ever tried clay hair wash? In this video, we'll be looking at the benefits of clay hair wash, the do's and the don'ts. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back. So today I decided to detox my hair because I've been having products in it for a really long time, and most times, if not all the time, shampoo doesn't really do the magic for me. So I want my hair to go back to its natural state. And what other way if not to use clay? Now in today's video, I'm using bentonite clay. Previously, some time ago, I talked about the 3 clays that you can use on your hair, where I mentioned kaolin, bentonite, and raspberry clay. So I'll be leaving the link to the video in the description box. You might want to check it out. So in today's video, I am using bentonite clay. Bentonite clay has been used for centuries as a traditional medicine for detoxification because it contains minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and iron. Before I continue to talk about the benefits of bentonite clay, I'm going to make this clear, please. My measurement in this video is based on my hair thickness and my hair length. Okay, so if your hair is shorter or longer than mine, your measurement has to adjust, okay? So in this video, I started off making 3 cups of bentonite clay, but along the line I figured that it's not enough. It won't be enough because I know my hair is a lot, okay? So I added 1 more extra cup. Then I used 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, then added enough water, but not to let it be runny. It's going to be runny, but not very, very runny, okay? It's going to be quite thick. So this is what my hair looks like. It's quite dry. I haven't touched it in a while, for like 5 days now. So I am going to refresh it with water. Now, one thing you need to know before applying this mask, please ensure that your hair is wet. Or should I put it damp? Ensure that your hair is wet or damp, not water dripping per se, but you have water in your hair. Or you can always keep your spray bottle handy, okay, so you wouldn't let it dry out. When it dries out in your hair, it can be a bit difficult to rinse off. Another important thing, please do not use metallic utensils when you are mixing your bentonite clay. Use only non-metallic utensils like glass, wooden, or plastic. When it comes to hair, bentonite clay has been used all over the world as a deep clarifying cleanser and softener. Now, amongst all of its benefits, it leads to reduction of frizz, which is very awesome for people with any form of curl pattern, be you 4C, 4A, 4 whatever. Your curl pattern is free of frizz. Now, one of the things that bentonite clay does is that it helps with dry, irritated, or flaking scalp. And in addition to conditions including psoriasis and seborrheic dermatitis, it can also create a protective barrier or help heal minor wounds, so you can experience some relief from itchiness. Ensure to apply in sections so as to saturate all of your hair. Like I said earlier, keep spray bottle handy because you wouldn't want this to dry on your hair. If it gets dry, it will be really a bit difficult for you to rinse it off. Once you've fully coated your hair with the bentonite clay mask, you can either leave it as it is or you cover your head with a plastic cap to trap in the heat for extra penetration. So after covering it, you just leave it for 20 to 30 minutes before you rinse. You can shampoo and condition your hair as you normally do after the treatment is done. But personally, what I do is I use hot water to wash it off. Like after washing it off with hot water, I use normal water to rinse. Then after the wash, this is what my hair looks like. My hair is in its natural state. No form of product is on it right now. So I'm just going to go on and use my leave-in conditioner and my oil as usual. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Bye.